Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What follows are my personal experiences and insights. Wholesale Central is a valuable online directory connecting retailers with dropshippers and wholesalers. Navigating the site is straightforward. You'll find various categories, from apparel and accessories to electronics and home decor, enabling you to quickly locate suppliers relevant to your niche. One of the standout features is the ability to search for suppliers based on specific product keywords. This granular search functionality allows you to hone in on precisely what you're looking for. Beyond just providing supplier listings, Wholesale Central offers additional resources, such as a learning center packed with helpful articles and guides for retailers. These resources offer valuable insights into dropshipping best practices, industry trends, and effective strategies for online retail success. Another useful aspect of Wholesale Central is its clear presentation of supplier details. Each listing typically includes contact information, minimum order requirements, shipping policies, and often product catalogs or line sheets. This transparency empowers you to make informed decisions about potential partnerships. While the platform offers a free membership, a paid membership unlocks additional features and benefits. These can include advanced search filters, access to exclusive supplier deals, and prioritized customer support. It's worth exploring whether a paid membership aligns with your specific business needs and growth trajectory. For those new to dropshipping, Wholesale Central can be an excellent starting point. The platform's user-friendly interface and comprehensive supplier database make it easy to research and connect with potential partners. Keep in mind, due diligence is crucial when selecting suppliers. It's always a good idea to thoroughly vet potential partners, request samples, and clarify any questions you have before committing to a business relationship. Overall, Wholesale Central is a valuable resource for retailers seeking dropshipping suppliers. Its organized directory, combined with educational resources and clear supplier information, makes it a worthwhile platform to explore. Remember to leverage the search filters and take advantage of the available resources to maximize your experience.